Hello students, today I am discussing the topic potential energy of dipole in external electric field. The potential energy of dipole is defined as the energy possessed by any dipole by virtue of its position or configuration. Now, as you know, when any dipole is placed or subjected to any external electric field, then torque acts on the dipole as tau is equal to P sin theta, where P is the dipole moment, E is the applied electric field, and theta is the angle between the dipole moment P and the electric field E, and tau that acts on the dipole. So tau is equal to P sin theta. Now, the work done to rotate the dipole against the torque, that is dW is equal to tau d theta. dW is the small amount of work done to rotate the dipole against the torque, and d theta is the angle through which it has been rotated. So dW is equal to tau d theta and tau is equal to P sin theta. So it becomes dW is equal to P sin theta d theta. This is the required expression for rotating the dipole by small angle d theta. So the total amount of work done for rotating the dipole from initial orientation theta 1 to the final orientation theta 2, we take the integration of the equation 1 with limits from theta 1 to theta 2. That gives the total work done, that is limit from 0 to W and limit from theta 1 to theta 2, P sin theta d theta. It becomes W and P comes outside, sin theta d theta, theta 1 to theta 2, that is PE minus cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2 is equal to minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. W is equal to minus P cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1, and as this work done gives the required potential energy, which is denoted by capital U. So potential energy of dipole, that is capital U, is equal to minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Theta 1 is the initial orientation and theta 2 is the final orientation. Thanks.